Now the introduction part is over. Let's dig into Python. But first, let's start with comments in Python. So what are comments? Well, comments are those which are not exactly the code, but which is used to explain the code, that what exactly someone is writing. So there are two types of comments. One is a single line comment that is written with the help of a hash in front of it, and the other is a multi-line comment. To write a multi-line comment, you need to include 3 double quotes before and after the multi-line comment. Let's see the code. So this is a comment. This is a multi-line comment. And if you run it, it won't print anything because it's a comment, right? It starts with a hash. And the other one is a multi-line comment. As you can see, it is divided into 3 multiple lines, into 3 lines. And the starting and beginning of the comments have 3 apostrophes or 3 inverted commas in it. Well, if you run the code with the multi-line comments, the multi-line comment won't be printed, but here the multi-line comment will be printed because there is no code.